Green creates the whole world. Energy changes our life. Wind energy is a kind of green energy that can be used sustainably. In 2010, China surpassed the United States in wind power installed capacity to become the world's largest wind power country. Since 1960s, Dingxiang has been known as Forging Town of China. Today, all kinds of forging products have sold all over the world well. As the top manufacturer of wind power flange in China, Shanxi Tianbao Group Company Limited is located in Dianshan, where the transportation is convenient and the history has lasted for a long time. 10 years of trials and hardships. 10 years of persistence. 10 years of pursuit. 10 years of innovation. Create a famous brand in China to serve the whole world. Raw material. Cutting. Heating. Blinking. Reheating. Rolling. Heat treatment. Rough machining. Sampling. The company equips with the National Laboratory, certified by CMA and CNAS physical and chemical testing, which has become the appointed laboratory of Shanxi Entry-Exit Inspection and Quarantine Bureau. Ultrasonic test. Finish machining. Drilling. Quality inspection. The whole process has a complete quality control system. Tianbao has built ERP integrated management and quality traceability system, which realizes the integrated management of purchasing, production, quality inspection, inventory of the products, allowing customers to keep track of the production status and progress at any time and anywhere. A treasure land selected by the God, aiming for the best. A world first-class technical team. A dedicated innovation team. This company mainly produces wind tower flanges, pressure vessel flange, pipe flange, and all kinds of forgings. Its wind power products have installed and operated in the wind field. Various products are also widely applied in petrochemical industry, engineering machinery, ships and submarines, and many other fields. The company is the Vice Chairman Unit of China Export Flange Forgings Product Quality and Technology Promotion Committee, which also wins the titles of Top 3 of National Wind Power Flange and Enterprise Credit Assessment, AAA level credit enterprise, etc. Also, the company holds more than 30 patented products and technologies and passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSAS 18001, and ISO 17025, etc. Tianbao has established long-term strategic cooperative relations with domestic and foreign enterprises, power companies, and wind turbine manufacturers. Its precise forging products are exported to Europe, the United States, Asia, and other countries and regions. The company has passed the auditing and certification of international famous enterprises and become their qualified supplier, laying a solid foundation for the products to move towards the world. The inheritance of a spirit will be led by the innovator. The future of an enterprise will be created by the pioneer. Forging with integrity, creating treasures for the world. Tian Bao.